Welcome to the best picks. The best Kamui Pool Glove is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious pool player. This glove is designed to enhance your game by providing a smooth stroke and consistent bridge. It reduces friction between your hand and the cue, allowing for better accuracy and control. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Kamui Pool Glove promises to elevate your game to the next level. Number 5. Scott Edward Billiard Gloves, 10 PCS Set. Introducing the Scott Edward Billiard Gloves, designed for both men and women. This set includes 10 gloves, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready for your game. Made from a blend of lycra spandex, these gloves are incredibly comfortable and breathable. The fabric allows for a great feel and a secure grip, enhancing your performance. The innovative three-finger design provides maximum flexibility and control. This allows you to maintain a natural feel while playing, giving you an edge. These gloves are designed to fit most hand sizes comfortably. The elastic wrist ensures a snug fit, so it stays in place during your game. Crafted from durable and stretchable spandex fabric, these gloves are built to last. They are designed to withstand the rigors of regular play, providing long-lasting performance. What we like. This glove is made of spandex fabric, ensuring comfort and breathability during long games. The 10-piece set is perfect for players who want to always have a spare. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution and need multiple gloves, you should consider this one. What people say. Inexpensive but pretty durable. Have used over and over with machine washing in between and it has held up very well. The spandex material is very flexible and I like the open finger design. These are extremely durable and easy to care for. Machine wash and dry with no issues. Number 4. L-Beast Pool Q Glove for men and women. Introducing the L-Beast Pool Q Glove, designed for both men and women. This glove is crafted to improve your game and provide a better experience. Made with breathable materials, this glove ensures comfort during long hours of play. It allows your hand to breathe while you focus on your shots. Built to last, the L-Beast glove is wear-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use. It's a reliable companion for any billiards enthusiast. The anti-skid design provides a secure grip, allowing for more precise shots. This feature helps you maintain control and accuracy. The glove's material offers a superior touch, enhancing your feel for the cue. It provides a smooth and consistent experience with every shot. Whether you're playing snooker or pool, this glove is an ideal accessory. It's designed to improve your game and provide a better entertainment experience. What we like. This glove is designed with breathability and wear resistance in mind, providing a better experience. The anti-skid design enhances your grip and control. If you are a billiards enthusiast looking for a glove that offers both comfort and performance, you should consider this one. What people say. It fits pretty good, smooth cue gliding. Nice glove. Number 3. Predator Second Skin Billiard Glove, Black-Gray. Introducing the Predator Second Skin Billiard Glove. This glove is designed to enhance your game, providing a comfortable and secure fit. The glove features an ultra-dry, breathable mesh. This helps keep your hand cool and dry, even during intense play. It also includes a non-slip thumb heel pad. This feature provides added grip and control, improving your accuracy. The glove is built with double-stitched construction. This ensures durability, so it can withstand frequent use. The elastic Velcro closure provides a secure and adjustable fit. It's designed for the left bridge hand and available in large x large sizes. Experience the second skin, low-friction surface. It allows for a smooth stroke, giving you the edge you need. What we like. This glove features an ultra-dry breathable mesh, keeping your hand cool and dry. The non-slip thumb heel pad ensures a stable bridge. If you are a player who values a dry and stable grip, you should consider this one. What people say. Very smooth glide, good finish on the fingertips. I bought this glove to replace one that I have been using daily for 5 years. Pool glove works. Number 2. CUESOUL Billiard Gloves, left and right. This is a professional billiard glove from CUESOUL. It's designed to enhance your game. You'll find it helps with your grip and stroke. This glove is specifically designed for your left hand. It's made with quality materials for a comfortable fit. This glove will help you improve your game. This glove is available in size S, fitting palm widths from 2.75 to 3.35 inches. It ensures a snug and comfortable fit, allowing you to focus on your shots. It features a Velcro strap at the wrist. This allows you to adjust the fit for optimal comfort and control. It's easy to adjust, ensuring a perfect fit. The design exposes the middle, thumb, and index fingertips. This provides maximum flexibility and control. This design helps with precision. This is a luxury billiard glove you deserve. It's designed to improve your game. Get yours today. What we like. This glove features an adjustable Velcro wrist for a perfect fit. The flexible design exposes fingertips for enhanced control. If you are looking for a glove that offers both flexibility and a secure fit, you should consider this one. What people say. Fits and works as described. Colors true to photos. Good fit. Breathable, nice feel to the material. Good quality, great fit. Number 1. Longoni Black Fire 2.0 Billiard Glove. Introducing the Longoni Black Fire 2.0 Billiard Glove. This glove is designed for both left and right-handed players. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys pool, snooker, pyramid, or billiards. Make sure to check the size chart to find the right fit for you. Also, double-check your hand orientation before you place your order to ensure it fits perfectly. This glove features a new and innovative techno fiber fabric. It's breathable, comfortable, and soft to the touch. Plus, it's machine washable, so you can keep it clean with ease. The adjustable strap around the wrist ensures a snug fit. You'll also find the embroidered Longoni logo, a mark of quality and style. The separated finger design gives you better control. This feature helps improve your game, allowing for more precise shots. The gripping micro suede pad provides better stability. This feature helps you maintain a steady grip, improving your overall performance. What we like. This glove is made with innovative techno fiber fabric, which is breathable and soft. It has an adjustable wrist strap for a snug fit. If you like a glove with superior fabric and a customizable fit, you should consider this one. What people say. Such great quality. The seams aren't too big tight, the suede grip patch thing is nice and big, the thumb fabric being separate and attached with a seam, very breathable material, everything about this glove is perfect. The way it fits, the quality, the comfort, the functionality. The glove is a good solution that seems to have well done seams and good fit. The quality is great. It doesn't stretch out like the cheaper brands. And the Velcro helps tremendously to keep it secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.